So this agent did all the prospecting for me. It found leads. The AI agent automatically identified businesses that matched my criteria. It spotted weak spots. It analyzed their websites and found conversion problems that they didn't even know they had. It created personalized outreach messages that highlighted specific improvements. I basically just hit run and then I got a fully client-ready report in minutes. Now this is why this is so powerful, because cold outreach is basically dead. Cold calling means you're getting ignored. Cold emails, they're either ending up in spam or they're getting deleted. But with this new smart AI outreach approach, it solves a real problem because it gets responses because they are tailored specifically to the business owner and what their problems are. So I'm gonna show you today how we take this prompt and we use ChatGPT's new agent mode. It's so easy to use. I think it might be my new favorite AI agent. If you're wondering what it is, it's this new mode that's built within ChatGPT. It's mission-driven AI, meaning that you give ChatGPT a mission that you want it to do. And in this case, the mission we're going to give it is to find 5 business owners that have problems wrong with their websites so that we can offer them a solution. But not only that, we're going to give it 5 different tasks at once. So 4 in addition to that one, but it just runs with it. It's web enabled, so it browses the web, it analyzes content, and then it returns ready to use results. And you can think of it as your AI business development rep that works 24/7 for free. Now, this is the prompt that I gave it. I will run it with you guys too, together. Maybe I'll switch it up just a little bit so that we can see kind of it working. And I'll show you the results I got with this one. I have a Google Doc here that I'm using to copy it from. So if you're interested in that or you have questions on the video, you can leave me a comment, and I always reply to all the comments. And when I reply to you, I will leave a link to this doc to download for free. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna paste it into ChatGPT, and this is how you initiate ChatGPT's new agent. You're gonna click new chat. You're gonna wanna make sure that you're on the 4.0 model, so the 4.0 model. And then under tools, what you're gonna do is you're gonna click the deep research tool. So we're gonna paste in the prompt here, and it says, act as an AI business development assistant. Find HVAC businesses in Austin, Texas. So let's do something different because I've already done this one. Let's say find 5 pool cleaning businesses, or let's just say pool businesses in Orlando, Florida, with no clear call to action on their homepages. Identify what could be improved, offer, design, or clarity. Write a personalized outreach message offering to help improve their conversions with a better AI-powered landing page. And then create a sample call-only headline with a call to action. I'll put everything in a clean summary that I can use to pitch them. Okay, so this is what we're gonna run with. We're gonna hit go, and it's gonna get to work here, but it's gonna ask a few follow-up questions. So the follow-up questions, and this is how you answer the questions so that you can get the best results possible, return. So I just do like bullet points, like number 1, do you want the pool business to primarily focus on residential pools, commercial pools, or both? I'm gonna say both because I really don't care. Question 2, should I only look at their main website homepage or also consider landing pages linked from ads and social profiles? I'm gonna say you can look at everything. And by the way, guys, these questions are always different. So it's not always the same questions, which is interesting. It really does put the forethought in to get you the best results possible based on what niche and what location you're entering. Okay, so number 3, it says, are you open to any business size or do you prefer small to mid-sized companies? It did ask me this one last time I did it, and I'll say both. I don't really care. And then 4, should I prioritize businesses not using AI automation on their websites, no chat box or dynamic forms? I'll say it doesn't really matter. Okay, but if you were focused on maybe being an AI consultant or something like that, then you might really want to focus in on that. That would be great. Okay, so we're gonna hit enter, and this does take some time to actually go and return the results. This isn't something that happens instantly. I'd say it takes anywhere from like 5 to 10 minutes. So I do have some more stuff to cover for you. So we'll let that run in the background. And if it's not done by the time I'm covering that other stuff, then I'll show you the search I did before it, just so that we don't have to, take up a bunch of time. And like I said, if you guys have any questions or anything like that, leave them in the chat box below. I'll also drop you a link to my new course, Lead Gen Site in 10 Seconds, which is the solution that I am offering to these business owners. So when it finds these 5 business owners, I offer to create them a new website. And with my new training, I show you how I get that created within just 10 seconds using AI. I have a video here, you can go check it out. I'll also leave a link in the description that shows some example sites that I've built with this strategy. And today, it's on sale for just $12. It's an early bird offer that I'm offering to you guys to get in on this. And as you know, I always raise the price on my courses once we start to get more people in. So definitely jump in on that before that happens. Now, the agent's output on my previous search that I did with the HVAC companies, it found 5 HVAC sites and it did a comprehensive analysis. It found sites with no phone number above the fold, no free estimate or offer. It found sites with confusing layouts or a poor mobile experience. And then it went and pulled detailed reports and put them together for each site. The agent included not only what's wrong, it included how to fix it. It gave me a personalized pitch and then a sample high converting headline. So it also gave me example outreach messages. And this is an example of kind of what it did. So, hey, business name, and this obviously it replaced it. It actually replaced it with the business's name. I noticed your homepage is missing a strong call to action, which could be costing you leads. I built a new version using AI. And by the way, I used my course, Lead Gen Site in 10 Seconds, to do that. So it literally takes you no time at all, almost no time at all to do that. And then it says that includes a clear headline and instant call button. Want to see it. Now, because it takes no time at all, I'm able to spin these up, send them off to people, and I'm not having to deal with WordPress. I'm not having to deal with like coding or anything like that. I can just send them off and let them see it. Now, I took it a step further. I used DeepSight to build these out in under 2 minutes, and I replaced weak copy with AI written value propositions. And then with no call to actions, I bolded them and put call only headlines. So if there was poor call to actions, I switched them out and I said things like, hey, give us a call right now to get a free estimate. So that way, if there was confusing layouts and things like that, I was able to replace them and make sure that they had a site that was responsive, that not only looked good on desktops, but also looked good on mobile devices. So I basically sent them a before and after. Here's what your homepage looks like now, and here's what it could like using AI. Do you want me to install it for you? And the results are 2 replies within a few hours, and I got a $500 deal, and then a potential upsell because the other one is considering a full rebuild. And that's all from 1 prompt, 1 click, and 1 follow-up. And this is why this works, because it's problem solving. You're solving a real problem. You've got proof up front. You're showing the fix up front. And you're leading with value first, right? You're showing them kind of like a finished product that's mostly finished. They just need to agree to let you continue it. And you're not begging for the sale. You're just delivering value. Now you can do this yourself. All you need to do is, number 1, you give your AI agent a mission. Find, evaluate, and pitch. 2, you create the solution. Use DeepSight or another AI tool to create the solution. And if you need help doing that, grab the link in the description of my course. We'll show you how to do that from start to finish. Step 3, you send the pitch, because the ChatGPT agent gives you the full pitch. So you send the personalized pitch plus a screenshot to the site, and boom, you close deals. You close deals anywhere from $250 all the way up to $2,500. It's really a simple, straightforward process that I believe anyone can take action on, and it's going to completely revolutionize what we're doing here. Okay, so the initial search that we were doing here is still loading. So why don't I just show you an example of the old pitch that I did here. So I'm gonna show you a few different examples here. So Carl's Heating and Air. It found this one in Austin, Texas, and we can look at their existing site, and it's showing some of the things. You can see it's not a great site. It's showing some of the things that are wrong with it. They said that the call to action and the phone number is buried in the content without a standout CTA element. What could be improved? The site needs a clear eye-catching call to action. For example, adding a schedule service now button at the top of the page. Highlight the number more prominently and it shows you exactly what to do. The value proposition is good, but pair it with a special offer or prompt, like call now for a free estimate. Okay, now look below. It gave me the personalized outreach message. It knows that Carl's the one who owns the company. Hey, Carl, I was impressed by Carl's Heating and Air, family approach, and honest reputation. Like, this is super tailored directly to the website that it found. And then it pointed out the problems. I noticed your website's homepage doesn't have a clear call to action for customers. It says just contact us today without an obvious schedule now button or invitation to call. I believe this might cause some visitors to hesitate or not know how to proceed. I'd love to help you turn that into an AI-powered landing page that immediately grabs attention. For example, we could add a bold schedule your HVAC service button at the top of the page, or by clarifying an offer, perhaps a free estimate or $50 off for new customers. So you can see this is great, right? And it did all of the legwork for us in a matter of a few minutes. This one's halfway done. So as you can imagine, in just a few more minutes, it's going to spit out more results just like this one. Now, the next one I found was this one, Apex Heating and Air Conditioning in Austin, Texas. It says they have, unfortunately, no effective homepage at all. Their official website appears to be inactive. The domain is listed in business directories, but when customers click it, they either find a blank error page, so basically no call to actions exist. The lack of a functioning site and call to action is a major barrier to conversion. Now, this is someone we can absolutely help. We can build out a site like this in 10 seconds using my course and boom, pitch it to them and show them an example of what we did. So you can see here, launch a basic homepage, display a prominent call to action, and include a short tagline. It's telling you what to do. So now we can come down here. They found out the owner of the company, which is John. Hello, John. I discovered that Apex doesn't currently have an active website, which means many Austin customers may not know how to reach you online. I imagine you rely on word of mouth and listings now, but a simple one-page website with a strong call to action could dramatically increase your calls. I specialize in creating AI-powered landing pages quickly and affordably. For Apex, we could set up a clean, mobile-friendly page that says something like fast, reliable service in Austin. Now, I could keep going and read through all of this, but I think by now you're probably getting the point that cold calling is not necessary nowadays thanks to the power of ChatGPT's new agent update. And it is insanely powerful. So you can go through and you can look at some of the other examples here as I scroll through. Some of the old things that would take a lot of time, like figuring out the business owner's name and figuring out exactly what's wrong and coming up with a custom outreach, just that alone is massive. But then we can implement other AI tools like DeepSight and things that I teach inside of my course, Lead Gen Site in 10 seconds. And now we're spinning up a solution as well in just a couple seconds. This is absolutely insane and something that I think is going to absolutely revolutionize local marketing and agencies for the better. So if you want my full agent prompt and the message template, again, leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought of this and if this was interesting to you. Just let me know. I will reply. I'll give you a link to the Google Doc for free. And if you want my full system inside Lead Gen Site in 10 seconds, you're going to get my exact strategy that not only finds high-paying clients, but my AI website builder workflow with no coding. You don't even have to mess with WordPress if you don't want, and no expensive monthly fees. So the link is in the description for that. It's on early bird right now, so don't miss that. And make sure that if you're not subscribed yet, that you subscribe and turn on the bell so that you don't miss anything, because I've got another awesome video coming up that you're not going to want to miss. With that being said, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I will see you next time. I am Paul James. Peace out.